Hello and welcome. So today I want to share with you guys a wonderful app called Mathpix. This is great, obviously, for math to make conversions with your math, to edit the equations and make it accessible for your students. And it can be read correctly by screen readers, which of course is important in order to make your materials fully accessible. So I have Google the Mathpix. I'm going to go to Mathpix download, and there is a small fee, but I think it is worth it. I have a Mac, so I'm going to click download. As you can see, it automatically downloads it, and we will follow the instructions. So click and drag into your applications. I already have this tool, but that's okay. I will replace it, and I need to input my password as an administrator. So that worked. So now it should be in my applications. And if you have not made an account before you downloaded the app, you want to be sure to create an account. And it says once you have entered your email address and password and successfully logged in, you will see this message explaining how to take your first snip. So it will help you get started with the tool. And so here it is. I can click to enable it. This is from the internet. And yes, I want to open it. And I will quickly go over a brief interview. So we are in this tab here, and this just populates all of your snips or any conversions you have made. We have a PDF tab that you can upload or drag any PDFs to and convert it to whatever you need to convert it to. I do have two other videos showing me converting a scanned math document and a scanned book pages and converting it into a doc. You make it accessible there and then convert it back into a PDF. This tab, you can create any code, LaTeX or Markdown. You have the option to handwrite a formula. Oh, this is rough. All right, and then it converts that for you. You can copy as a Word document, open as a doc or a PNG. There are different ways that you can copy over or edit. And you have the three tabs. OCR. OCR means optical character recognition. It is making text readable to a computer. This is how things can work with, say, your screen reader. You can look at the data, copy what you need, just look at the original. Again, many options. After handwriting, you can select an image. So it takes you to your files. You can select an image. Sure. Let's see what this one does. Data. I want OCR. So it can convert any of the equations into something that you can edit, especially if you bring it into a Word document. The graph itself typically stays as an image. And then you have an option to create a snip from a screenshot. So let's go somewhere and look up math. Look up math. Set the screen. I want to click and drag this. And here it goes. So any of your text, it makes it into something that you can then edit. Again, typically the images themselves are going to remain an image. You can add alt text to that in a document. Then here again is where everything is going to populate that you've done before. And that is a very quick overview to what Mathpix can help you with. I do have, again, two other videos showing how to use Mathpix with any scanned documents. I would check those out. Thanks for watching.